My name is James Hodge. I'm the plant manager at CEREX Advanced Fabrics. So CEREX is a very small family-oriented company, about 70 people. What we make here, it's a fabric made out of plastic, but we make it out of a material that's stronger than steel for some very, very sophisticated applications, where a customer will take our material to make an N95 grade type of mask. Our material is used in a lot of high-end side curtain airbag sleeves. I've been here almost 10 years. I never thought I'd make 10 years at a company. And I don't see myself going anywhere else either. I came in as a technical manager and just really fell in love with the people here and thought I could help to make the people around me better. Took the chance and I'm glad that I did.
My name is Wanda Lett. I am an operations technician here at CEREX Advanced Fabrics. I've been here for 24 years. Here at CEREX, I am an inspector. I'm basically running the rolls that are being processed, taking out the defects. I am running the rolls to the customer's specifications. I started out as a contract worker working in converting. I stayed there for 8 months. After that, I was offered a job as a permanent worker with CEREX. From there, I went from working in converting to working in inspection and working on the head end. It's been a wonderful journey for me, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's like being around your second family. It's like you have your brothers, sometimes your kids at work with you, but it's a family environment, and I love it.
My name is Gage Hagan. I'm an E&I tech, which is electrical and instrumentation technician. I just troubleshoot equipment that's down. We work with many different kinds of technologies, including different instruments on valves, controlling water and different things. I graduated high school in 2017. I went to community college where I went and got a degree in industrial engineering technology. And I left there, and while I was still going to school, I actually got contacted by CEREX and came here to work as an E&I tech and with a little apprenticeship, and I've graduated from that apprenticeship, and now I'm a full-fledged electrician here at CEREX. I always had an interest in electronic stuff. I always thought it was cool how things were wired and taking apart things and being able to work with my hands. I don't really like sitting behind a desk. I'm an outgoing person. I like moving and doing different things, and I knew that there was different ways to use that to make money. I grew up in a not so wealthy family. That's why I didn't go to a giant university. You know, I can put a lot of that behind me, and you know, you overcome the struggles, and now I'm on my goal. I'm here. I'm at a company that which I enjoy. I love working here.
We take a plastic pellet, we will melt that pellet down and create a liquid polymer, but will cool and solidify. We push the molten polymer through a spin die that creates thousands of filaments that are roughly half the size of a human hair in diameter. Putting them through a web formation, and we'll then lay those filaments on top of each other and convey that web into a bonding process. From there, to make any formation defects out of the material, roll it to customer length. We'll cut that for them, package it however they want, and get it ready for shipment and ship it out to them from there. In our lab, we have Instron machines that check tensile strength of the material. Our lab tech will literally clamp both ends of the sample, and the machine will pull it apart and record how much force it takes to pull it apart. We also check the weight of the material. That to us is the most important property. We vary weight of our fabrics, and our lab techs will check that routinely to make sure we're maintaining a tight weight on that material and giving the customer what they order.
I don't care if you've been in the manufacturing field or not. They don't hold that against you. They will take that chance. They're willing to step out and see what you can offer the company. And we have had some individuals that never had manufacturing jobs, and they have done a wonderful job. They're wonderful workers. Being a young person that's starting out in manufacturing, you have so many opportunities. With the technology skills that they have, it will make such a big difference, and they can thrive and move forward and, you know, go farther than they think they can. I think that having a mentor in the manufacturing business is important, because you're gonna always need somebody to help you.
While you're in high school, there's other opportunities out there. Not everyone is meant to go to a four-year university. Go to a VOTEC school and try to be the best in your class. The way I would suggest you getting a hold of apprenticeship was don't be afraid to apply. There's a lot of different plants around. Go and put an application in. Say what you're looking for. I'm looking for an apprenticeship program. I'd love to get in and learn while I work. I think the apprenticeship program is a wonderful choice, and I've able to learn more working here than I would ever learn in a classroom. There's loads of opportunity in manufacturing. You have to have the operators out there, you have to have the mechanics and electrical and all the people to work on it, you have to have management. There's so many different ways that you can be a part of manufacturing.
My favorite part about working at CEREX is definitely the people. I have great people around me. My job is to surround myself with those good people and help them reach their potential. We're all working towards a common goal. We understand what that goal is and work very well to achieve it. So it's a very great team environment, and it's a continually changing landscape. It's always great for me to be able to walk into my plant and see that we're actually making something that's going to benefit people, doing things that are for the better good, and it's a great feeling.
When I see a product in the world that I had a hand in creating, it really gives me pride. You look at it and you're like, I made this possible by doing my job. You're a small piece in a large process, but it really makes you feel proud of what you do. I was able to really get my life together in a quick period of time. At the age of 21 years old, I got a steady job, I've got my own house, I'm starting a family. I love what I do. There's a challenge. It's always something interesting. It kind of encourages me to do my best at my job.
Being in this particular field, a woman can thrive. You can become an engineer, you can become a plant manager, you can become anything that you want to be. I see myself probably being a mentor or even a supervisor. I would like to see myself helping women getting hired into the company. Don't let no one stop you. Don't let no one discourage you. You can do it.